guys, it's Kelsey, Father Kels, whatever you want to call me. Welcome to my Wildflower Case shoot.
Yeah, like
with the polka dot
and
shoes.
here we can do the Chanel.
Yeah.
That's really cute, Kels.
I love that. I love that too.
Yay, Birdie!
Perfect if Kelsey does the darker wash because then I have this for.
Oh yeah, Kels, I brought you this too. Cute.
I love those shoes. I want those shoes. Give them to me.
It's cute with the hair up.
It is cute with the hair up.
Let's show Walker.
And the very first look.
Oh my gosh, is Archie gonna be in it?
Yeah, Archie, Martin, Daisy, Birdie, Brooke's dog, Birdie. It's Birdie! Her first big break!
This is Birdie.
Okay, Birdie.
Oh my gosh, she has like that.
Like a more like an energy drink, but it's not as much energy. And then
I love these. You are in the valleys.
hey Birdie, careful.
Oh, very beautiful Vertiline.
Pose. Good pose alert. Good pose alert. So pretty.
Yeah, you are so photogenic. It hurts.
Gag it, Kels.
Like
That was
and then you never
too
go.
crazy for me.
Good job, Birdie!
Look at her. Oh my god. Yeah.
Cute, Kels. She's being amazing. Good girl! Thank you so much, bro.
Of course, love you. You're so beautiful. Congratulations.
Love you, bro.
So proud of all my girl bosses.
Oh my gosh. Look at me. Wait, this is blocking.
Good job, Archie.
Stay.
Good job, Archie.
Yay.
Oh my god.
You look so beautiful!
I feel like Archie just has his own thing alone with you two with the white.
Kelsey, these are perfect.
The way. Wait, pull it up and I need it. You want to loosen it?
Beautiful. And one just. That's cute. Do that, yeah.
When I'm in front of the camera, I feel confident always, but I feel like you can tell that from my photos. When I wake up, the first thing I do is check my phone, but besides that, I'll look in the mirror to make sure my blowout is still intact. I'm just ordering Postmates, obviously. My Postmates order history is something that no one will ever be allowed to look at or go through because it's traumatizing. There's a lot of things on there. This is my Wildflower case, ASMR. I feel like this case cannot be more me. It's dogs, food, and pink, so top 3 favorite things. My favorite food, sushi, Indian food, Mexican food, pizza, pasta. I like every single food possible. I don't have a favorite I can't pick. How do I know Devin and Sydney? I don't know how I know Devin and Sydney. I've known Devin and Sydney for like 10 years, best friends. I don't know how we met, mutual friends, but that's boring. So I should probably come up with a crazy story to start telling people. I met Devin and Sydney, it's so crazy. I met them at a party when I was like 19 years old. And there were these 2 girls fighting, like yanking each other's hair, throwing drinks, and I stopped the fight, and it was Devin and Sydney. And I was like, you guys, what are you doing? And they're like, sorry, we're sisters, we fight all the time. And then that's how we met. And then we've been inseparable ever since. My biggest deal breaker in a relationship, like at this point, everything. Like if I don't want a man to come near me or touch me or speak to me. The way to my heart, food and Chanel.
Wow. It's so beautiful.
My dog's just like running around the backyard.
It looks so cute.
Wow, very good boy. The two gray dogs.
I know, I can't.
Good boy. Do you guys call his name?
Stay Marty.
Good boy. Good boy.
I think we do one for you, Devin, and you're like sitting on the.
Thanks for watching, guys. Go shop my case so you can match with me and Archie.